Okay guys, so I just published a video about the fact that Big Geyser took on stock warrants from Beyond Meat instead of cash for their partnership to distribute Beyond Immerse in New York City. And immediately I got a comment from someone on Twitter saying they couldn't take cash from Beyond Meat because Beyond has no cash. And so I went and looked up the stats, the actual facts, because I keep hearing this comment in stock tweets, Twitter, in my comments, that Beyond has no money, no cash. But that isn't actually true. Beyond has cash, and they actually have more cash now than they have for the last 3 years and most of the last 10 years. Beyond has, according to microtrends, if we are to believe what microtrends say, and I usually do because they have good data, in 2025, Beyond had $208 million of cash on hand to end the year. In 2024, they had 133. And so if we go down to 2022, I think this is 2021. This is when people were thinking about when Beyond actually had cash, and this was booming times for Beyond. Their stock was at all-time highs, and they had $733 million of cash on hand, cash and cash equivalents on hand to end the year. And then 2022, it dropped more than half. It went to $310 million. And then 2023, it went to 193, and it kept declining through 2024 to $133 million cash on hand. So way down from when it was doing $1,000,000,001 in cash on hand in the first quarter of 2021, according to microtrends again. So yes, Beyond used to have way more money when the stock market was booming and when the vegan trend was booming and when the healthy eating trend was booming. Of course, that's how things work. We have booms and then we have times of corrections. That's just how the markets work. That's how it's always worked. But to say that Beyond has no money on hand is actually counterfactual because they now have more money on hand than they did last year. Actually, they doubled their cash on hand from 2024, from 2020, the start of 2025 until the end of 2025, and it's still way above where it started in 2025. So for the last 15 quarters, Beyond had negative growth in their cash on hand. That's not great. But the positive news is that they survived those times. They survived 15 quarters of declining cash on hand. And for most of the last 3-4 years, they've had about $100 million of cash on hand. And now for the last 2 quarters, for the first time in 15 quarters, they had positive growth in their cash on hand. So in the last quarter of 2025, they grew their cash on hand by 56%. And that ended them at $208 million with cash on hand and in 2025. And for the first quarter of 2026, they had $195 million of cash on hand, so slightly lower than the end of 2025. But they still have positive growth in their cash on hands. They grew their cash on hand by 89% in the first quarter of 2026 over the previous quarter. So this is great. So when you hear people saying, oh, Beyond doesn't have any cash, Beyond is just burning cash, yeah, they're spending money to grow the business. That's how business growth works. There's no other way to grow a business but to spend money. It's a straw man argument. It's also just not factual. Beyond has cash. They could have paid Big Geyser cash, but Big Geyser and Beyond came to an agreement where their incentives aligned, where Big Geyser is believing in Beyond Immerse protein drinks. They believe that from the data that they have, because they are the ones distributing this stuff, in the first few weeks of June, after the launch in New York City, they have seen how the drinks are performing. And then towards the end of June, they signed a deal with Beyond to take on 4 million stock warrants, half of which they will only get if they perform. So Big Geyser is telling us something, telling the market, hey, we like what we're seeing in New York. At least that's how I see it. I believe that Big Geyser has some data that suggests that this stuff is actually selling and will continue to sell and be sticky with the customers that is now acquired in person retail. Because the online retail customers, direct to consumers from Beyond's own website, have been sticky. And now they even have a subscribe to save plan option when you go to checkout for the Beyond Immerse. You can save, I think it's 10%, and you don't have to pay for shipping if you subscribe to get recurring shipments of Beyond Immerse. They will only create that option if people are buying this stuff and continue to buy it over and over, and they see that in their data. They wouldn't just do it for no reason. So there's good data here that shows us that Beyond Immerse is working, that Big Geyser thinks that this is working and that it's going to continue to work. And there's reason to believe that Beyond is going to continue on their trend of positive cash on hand growth. So we might see now another few quarters of cash on hand growth. And hopefully we get a new record of 5 straight quarters of cash on hand growth, which is 1 quarter more than what we saw in 2021 when they had every quarter of 2021 with positive cash on hand growth. They grew cash on hand by 357% in the first quarter of 2021, 354% in the second quarter, 312% in the third quarter, and 361% in growth of cash on hand and cash equivalents in the fourth quarter of 2021. I think that we are now in a new period where they're going to continue to grow their cash on hand in a positive manner, starting with 56% in positive cash on hand growth in 2025 for the last quarter, and now 89% for the first quarter of 2021. Hopefully, we see it get to 100% for the second quarter of 2021, which I think it will, because Beyond Immerse is a protein drink, and protein drinks have insane gross margins. So it costs them little to make and they make a lot of money, and they keep a lot of that in profit, in gross profits. So I think we're going to see a good period going forward of positive cash on hand growth, because I think this is probably their highest gross margin product that they've ever had. So I'm excited for this, and now you have some fuel to ward off anyone who's giving you false information about Beyond's cash position. Thanks for watching. I'm Lincoln with BoyCounty.org. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, don't forget to comment, like the video. Thanks. See ya.